Hey everybody. So you guys are tagging me left and right over on Instagram to let me know that my lipstick is in the July ice cream beauty box. So some of you guys were like, did you know? And I'm like, okay, true transparency, I knew that they reached out and they said they wanted to, and I was like, frick yeah, that's awesome, let's do it. But I did not think it was gonna be this soon. This is so flippin' cool. Like, I did not have any idea it was gonna be that soon. So they did, like I said, they reached out, they were like, are you okay with that? I'm like, absolutely, I would love that. So this was a amazing, pleasant surprise. I thought at best, when she said it came early, I thought, oh, maybe in August, but no, here we are in July. So anyways, today we are unboxing our July ice cream beauty box. I am super excited about it. If you did not know, I came out with a collection with OFRA Cosmetics just last month on June 8th on my birthday, and I created the Inseparable Lip Duo collection where you receive 2 lippies. You get a liquid lipstick here called Hotmess Momma, and then lip gloss in the shade Butterfly Kisses. And these are available currently, but Hotmess Momma, my liquid lippy, is in this month's ice cream beauty box, which is absolutely amazing. It has like a retail value of like $20, and this box is like only $25, I think, a month. You can use coupon code HOTMESS. It's not an affiliate code, but yeah, like I'm so excited over this. And then of course my Unconditional palette is available over at OFRA as well, and yeah, I'm so excited about this. So if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and if you joined me on my live today with my girly Jody G or Yari G, thank you guys so much. That's something that we talked about doing often, and we're like, we gotta do this, we have got to do it. So the eye look that I created is with OFRA Cosmetics, which one? Empowered palette, and some of the shades from my Unconditional palette. I used a couple of my shades. So I used My World, which is the green shade in here, and I used Fam Bam on this eye look along with the Empowered palette. I'll try and link that below for you guys. I'll have this link down below. I did not sneak peek. I have no clue what else in here other than my liquid lippy, so I am super excited about that. So we do have a card in here. This is so cool. Okay, so in here it's called Independent Queen. I love the theme of this, and you do have a little note on here talking about all the items that are in the box, the retail value, and a little information about it. Like I was telling you guys, the ice cream beauty box is a monthly subscription, and code HOTMESS will save you 10% off your first box with ice cream beauty box. This box is, as you guys know if you've been with me for a while, one of my favorite boxes to unbox on the channel. It's very makeup heavy, and that was something that a lot of us were missing for a long time, but they come through every month, and you always get a palette in here as well, and they've been curated perfectly. I am so sorry, my neighbor has decided to start cutting the grass. Anyways, the first item in here is by Delancey, and this is a 4-color multi-chrome palette by Delancey. It has a $25 retail value, and these are multi-chromes. This is fun. One thing about ice cream beauty boxes, I really feel like when, oops, I'm ripping the box. So when they put everything together, everything has always been curated very thoughtfully. So, ooh, look at the purples. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's gonna match my lippy because I have my lip on today. It's gonna match so perfectly. Let's swatch. Okay, just by looking at the palette, just shifting it, I don't know if my camera is picking up, but you can literally see, at least in person, the different shifts. Oh, this feels nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's like white and yellow and green and pink just off that first shade. And I love these shifts because they're really soft They're not like an overpowering, like chunky glitter or anything. There's the 2 shades right there. And then, oh my gosh, this is really pretty. They're really soft. And it feels like they're definitely going to be a buildable kind of shade. They're definitely wearable shades. It's definitely more, I feel like, on the pastel-y side of shifts, which I like. That I truly love, because you know me when it comes to color. As much as I love to look at color, trying to create a look starts to panic me. So I think this is a beautiful palette. I love this. I feel like these are going to be shades that are like the perfect accent to any palette. I mean, honestly, if you have my Unconditional palette, I think this is going to be a great little complement to it. I mean, I would totally wear all of these colors. So it does say the multi-creams were made to shine in a bright, beautiful summer sun. They contain shimmers that can shift 3 to 4 colors. I definitely see that. The easiest way to see what colors the multi-chrome will shift is to swatch and lift the colors towards the light and away from the light. You'll be able to see it, and that's so true. You definitely can see that each one definitely has multiple shades in there, and I like that. And it's funny because at first glance I'm like, that's pretty, but it's even prettier after you swatch it. Okay, next in here we've got 2 of the duochrome liquid eyeshadows from Chantico Beauty. Now, little information about these. These are $38. We are including not 1 but 2 liquid duo shadows to allow you to experiment. Ooh, okay. I feel like I've seen this brand before and a subscription. Honestly, I can't remember which one, but I know I've got this brand before. Oh my gosh. I gotta swatch these for you guys, which I don't know which one I pulled out of the box. Oh, that is not what I expected at all. Okay, so this one, do you see that? That is gorgeous. So it shifts all these different, oh, that is so pretty. I was not expecting that. I didn't see that one coming. Let's see what this color goes. Oh, that one's pretty too. Okay, so that's a little bit more of what I was expecting by looking at it. The doe foot is a little on the firm side, but I mean, still you can build it up. Do you guys see it? So it looks deeper, like a rusty color, but it kind of has some lighter shades in there. I don't know if you guys can see. That's pretty. I definitely love the first one. Like, I love this one between the 2 so much. All right, next in here we've got Queen Ice Cream highlighter. Okay, so this says it has an $18 retail value. Ooh, it's a really pretty highlighter. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch her since we're doing a swatch party here. Oh, that's pretty. It's definitely nice and calm. You can blend it out, and it just kind of has like a nice soft sheen to the skin. I feel like it's a very like a dew from within kind of dealio. Nothing like over the top like the chromes. I forgot to put a highlighter on today. I know, crazy. So I'm gonna just plop a little on here. Seems to be pretty easy to work with. I want to play with it a little bit more, maybe use a brush with it as well and see how it goes. But as far as the color goes, it's not a scary color on. I feel like it would be really pretty on the lips, like in the center as well. So it does say a little information that summertime is all about glowing, and of course we had to include a highlighter. What better than the shade Ice Cream? This is a universal highlighter, and it creates an instant dew of glow. And I'm gonna have to agree with that because it is an instant glow. Like, it's literally right here, but it's more of like a dew glow, which I like. All right, then we have in here my liquid lippy. This is so exciting. It's so crazy to see. Like, oh my gosh. This is so exciting. This is so cool. So it says Hotmess Momma Liquid Lipstick by OFRA Cosmetics, $20 retail value. Hotmess Momma is a YouTube influencer who has 3 channels dedicated to beauty, vlogging, and cooking. She has also been unboxing our boxes for the past 2+ years and has always been an absolute pleasure. Okay, here we go. Ron is about to get emotional. Oh my gosh. We knew we had to feature one product from her collection, and we are so happy that we were able to do so. The quality and shade of this color is absolutely stunning. Sorry guys. If you want to purchase more, Hotmess Momma and OFRA Cosmetics have been so kind to provide code HOTMESS, which you will be able to use at OFRA Cosmetics to shop the rest of Hotmess Momma's collection at OFRA's site with 20% off. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I knew that they were gonna have it in here, but like it was so fast. It was such a whirlwind. Okay, so y'all know I love this. This is the liquid lippy that I created with OFRA Cosmetics. I have it on my lips today, and the beauty of this, and I'm really excited that they put this in here, is because you don't have to just use it on your lips. You can use this as your blush. You can also use this on your eyes. I think it's on Instagram that I did it. I may have a YouTube video as well. I know I did a lot of lives with OFRA Cosmetics showing it too for you guys. But yeah, don't just only use this on your lips. This makes a gorgeous, beautiful blush. And a pinch, you can also put it on your eyes. And oh my gosh, you could even use the liquid. Oh, that would be so stunning. One of the eyeshadows, you could use the liquid chrome on here. I'll have to come back and create a look for you guys doing that, because I promise you this is absolutely gorgeous on the eyes. And then you want a little pop of a shimmer of a color. Yes. So thank you so much, Ice Cream Beauty Box, for the support. You all know, like they said, I've been unboxing them for a couple years now, and they grew to be one of my favorite subscriptions because they don't chintz out at all. And for what you get, it's such a good deal. And then last, you always get an eyeshadow palette in the box. This is the Ethereal Oakland 18 color eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Okay, so do you remember when I said they do very thought out, curated boxes? Okay, so you've got this beautiful palette that obviously looks like a dupe for a Huda Beauty palette, and I can tell you I've used a ton of Oakland palettes. Pardon me, ma'am? Yes, please. You could not have got this to match that any better. Oh my goodness. So, you know, wow. You've got 2 palettes. This is going to be a perfect accent to this palette. Like, there's, I need a third hand. So there's this palette. Here's the shades. Wow. Okay, so y'all do it every month. Like, if you truly want, and I'm not just saying that because my lipstick's in here at all. I'm promising you guys that. But if you do want to gift a box, a subscription box, or a subscription, this would be where I would start. Hands down, 100%. I would start with Ice Cream Beauty Box. I know I unbox a ton of subscriptions on this channel, but for months, years, I've never felt like when I unbox an Ice Cream Beauty Box, I never felt like they went through a bargain bin. But I never feel like they went through the bargain bin to create a box for us. I feel like at the end of the day, you're going to get things in the Ice Cream Beauty Box that are gonna make sense. You know what I mean? You're not gonna get just this random thrown out box and be like, how the heck am I gonna create a look? You know? So that's the one thing that I truly love about Ice Cream Beauty Box. And there's different brands in there, from very affordable to more high-end types of products. You always are guaranteed a palette as well. Obviously, this is one of my favorite boxes. I mean, hello, your girl's in here. So I think this is so cool. And to see it paired so beautifully, with everything else, thank you. And you got your girl emotional. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So yeah, obviously the July box is my favorite. But I think if you do get this, I think you're really gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much to Eyescream Beauty Box. Like this is so flipping cool. Like I said, they told me they wanted to do it, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's cool. But I didn't expect it. Everything's been like a whirlwind since the launch of my collection with OFRA. So I don't think I computed and processed it until y'all started in my comments like, you're an Eyescream Beauty Box, did you know? Did you? I knew, but I didn't realize it was going to be like whoop de bam bitty boom, you know? So if you want to sign up for the Eyescream Beauty Box, I would definitely recommend trying it out at least for a month. Just try it out for a month. Use coupon code HOTMESS. You're going to get that 10% off. It's going to bring the box to, I think it's like $21, $22. You're going to get everything in this box. I don't know if the July box is sold out, but what if we sold out that box? I mean, y'all did sell out my PR bundle. What if we could do that for Eyescream Beauty Box? How freaking cool would that be? You guys are powerful people, I tell you what. So I'm gonna have a link to Eyescream Beauty Box down below. I still can't believe this is real. This is amazing. Thank you to you all for making the launch successful, and thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for getting your girl all in her feels again. This is awesome. This is crazy, but this is awesome. Thank you guys so much. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. I think I just got right into chit chatting and forgot, but thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all. Thank you to those of you that do click that thanks button to tip the channel. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all y'all sitting here watching my content, sticking around. You guys are truly just amazing people. So I'll have all information in my description box down below. Thank you again so much. I'm gonna go cry in the corner. This is just so cool. And check me out on my other channels and Instagram and everything. And thank you guys. I just can't thank you guys enough. I am cheesing. I'm collecting some more wrinkles with all these cheeses. So anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye guys.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto.